If you go to test this injector and you ohm it out, and I'll take number 3 right here because I was reading that one and I was reading pretty good. And normally the ohms on this, what you want to see is somewhere about 12, 12.5, maybe 13, 13.5 is pretty decent. I think the spec on this calls for around 12.5. So anywhere within that range, you'll probably be okay. So if you listen for this, for the beeping, so you can hear the beep and you can see back there on the meter, we're reading 12.9. So that injector is actually pretty good. I would say that's a pretty decent injector, you know. So we're going to go ahead and read number, let's see, number 3 right here. So let me see if I can get a good touch on number 3. See, on that one we're reading 26.6, 0.7, 0.9.